Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to send voice messages on Android. Voice messages let you send spoken audio instead of typing long text messages on your Android device. Most messaging apps on Android include the built-in microphone feature for net recording and sending voice messages. Follow these steps to send a voice message on your mobile device. To begin, unlock your Android phone. Then, open your preferred messaging app. Choose an existing conversation or start a new chat. Tap on the text field and locate the microphone or voice icon near the text enter field and tap on it. Ensure the app has permission to access your microphone and has the option to record voice. Tap and hold the microphone icon. Begin speaking clearly into your device's microphone and keep holding the icon while recording your message and speak your complete message. Release the microphone icon or tap on the stop button when you finish recording. Review the recording if the app provides a playback option. Delete, restart, and re-record the message if necessary. Tap the send button if the app requires confirmation. Wait for the voice message to be delivered to the recipient. Tip: the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the messaging app you use, such as WhatsApp, Messenger, or Telegram. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.